Hello and welcome back to another vlog. I'm just off to the storage to pick the caravan up, but I'll go through what I'm doing in a second. It's great to see recently, in the last few days and weeks, pictures of people being finally away in their caravans, motorhomes, camper vans, whatever you may choose to do your holidays in. I think there's a sense, kind of a feeling of, you know, we're kind of getting through it and you know, getting out there and using our vehicles. But yeah, it's really good to see that. We're not going away. Well, we should be going. Oh, somebody's just can't drive. We're going away soon. But what I wanted to do was just pick the caravan up and give it a little bit of a tow, just make sure everything's okay before we go on our first trip. And also I need to take it on to do a job. The caravan ID number that's on the back, I tried to take it off at the storage and they're that good I can't even get the number off. I tried, I got all the other ones off, but the rear one, it took me ages to get that, well, try to get it off. So I've been in contact with Brian from Caravan ID and he's suggested using a hairdryer, and because we've got no power up at the storage, I'm going to bring the caravan home, hopefully just get the back end of it on the driveway. It'll have to block the pavement a bit. I just need to get it on to get electricity, and then I can do that. And then just a few other little bits and bobs that I need to do before we go away. Update on the car. I have had the cam belt done on the car, which was done only a few days ago. Alongside with that, he's changed the water pump and the tension is in there, so that's all been done. So that should be good. He said the cam belt that came off had a bit of life in it, really, but it's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to be safe than sorry, and get that changed. So quite happy that's done. The only thing I've got to do now in terms of the car is to get the wheels lined or aligned, because both wheels have been off. I need to get those just checked out. So quite anxious, really. It's the first tow in well over, well, possibly 7 months. So I'm kind of looking forward to it, but I'm kind of not looking forward to it. It's only a short distance, but we'll see how we get on. So let's go to the storage and get the van picked up. Well, caravan on. Luckily remembered how to do everything. God, it was certainly busy in there today. It took me a while to get out the storage because of people coming in and out. Yeah, that was ages there. But yeah, just on the, as you come out of our storage, it's quite a steep hill, so I've given the brakes a bit of a go down there, pulled away and then put them back on. I'm just going to check the drums when I get home, just to make sure they're not too warm. It's not far, it's only a mile and a half away from home, so yeah, not a great place to, not far to go, sorry. And then I'm going to try my best to get it as much on the driveway as I can, and see how we go from there. I've got this new Grand Aero mirror on. A lot of people commented about it being flat rather than convex, and I was a bit undecided which one to get, and I did get a flat one, and it just needs some slight adjustment. It seems to be okay. It gives quite a good view. Well, it's windy. It always feels worse when there's nothing in the caravan, really, and there's no weight in the car, and it always bounces and feels far worse than when you're fully loaded. Obviously when you're fully loaded it sits down a little bit, and also I've not, because just the short journey that I'm doing, I've not increased the tyre pressures, because it's not really at max load, so we just get that little bit more bouncing within the car and the van. Wow, it feels weird towing after so long. God, it's been a long time. Right, we'll see in a bit. So that's the decal, and I tried last week to get it off, but I tried for about an hour and I couldn't get it off, so we're going to get the eye dryer on it and get that off. That should work fine. So that's the new decals on. Back on the side of them, you can't see that one, I'll put a picture on, and the van's been washed ready for going away. Just need to take it back to the storage yard now. So that's us done taking the van back. We're almost ready for going away. Just as we're driving away there, I've just remembered I forgot to put some things in the caravan. I'll have to do that during the week. And I put the new decals on at the back, the Caravan ID decals. So it's just a case of taking it back and leaving it in storage until we go away, hopefully soon. I just nearly made a really big mistake, and that was trying to move it with the motor mover on. Must remember to take your motor mover off before you move it. But yeah, all ready, hopefully done for a trip. So thanks for watching. Big bump here. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.